Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be adding some crispy awesomeness to our Squarespace. That's going a little bit over the top actually. We're going to learn how to add icons to our navigation in Squarespace. So for the first time in 2019, let's play the intro. So we're going to be using Font Awesome icons to drag our icons into the navigation. So if you've not already installed Font Awesome, I've got a video about that which I'll link at the top now. And it's super simple to do, so I'll also leave instructions in the description on how to do it. So let's get started. So we've got our navigation running across the top, and the look I want to go for is to put some corresponding icons next to these links. So for instance, we might have like a musical note next to tunes, a shopping cart next to shop, and then so on for the rest of them. So I'm going to start with the home link, and I'm literally just going to put a picture of a house next to this, or an icon of a house. So if we come over to Font Awesome, and then I'm just going to search for house or home, see what it comes up with. There we go, we'll use this one. Now you can upgrade to Pro icons, doesn't cost that much, but I'm just going to use the free one. So if we just click on this, and then we want to click to copy HTML. There we go, that's copied. If we come back over to Squarespace, and then I'm going to go to pages, and then on the home index I'm just going to click on this cog icon, and then we want to go to navigation title. I'm just going to put a space, and then we're going to paste our HTML in from Font Awesome, and we're just going to hit save, and there we go, we've got our icon next to our home link. So if we come back over to our pages, you'll see that these are links to pages. They're not actual pages themselves, these are the links in the navigation. So looks similar to the way we've just done it in the index page, but ever so slightly different. So what I'll do, I'll go back over to Font Awesome, I'll get a tablet icon. So let's just search for tablet. We'll use this one. Again, click the HTML back over to Squarespace. And then if we just click this cog icon next to this one, you'll see that it's called link title in this one, not navigation title. So if we just, same as we did with the page, paste that in there, hit save. And there we go, we're starting to build our navigation up now. So as if by magic, I am going to make all the others appear. And there we go, we've got all our icons in next to our navigation links. So there we go, just a quick little tip to add a bit of variation to your navigation. So hope you found this video useful. If you did, leave us a thumbs up below. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. And if you're not already, please do subscribe for more stuff like this. And hopefully I'll see you in the next one. See ya.